In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to successfully migrate from Squarespace to Shopify. This process might seem complicated, but trust me, with some patience and the right guidance, the migration is easier than you think. So, let's begin with the first step in the migration process, which is exporting your data from Squarespace. This is crucial, as you would need to have all your product and customer information ready to import into your new platform, Shopify. On your Squarespace account, navigate to the section where you can access both your product and customer data. Look for the option to export the data into comma-separated values or CSV files, a format that is compatible with Shopify. Confirm the action and patiently wait for the export procedure to be completed. Now that we've prepared our data for migration, it is time to set up a home for it. The next step involves creating a new store on Shopify. Go to the Shopify website, create a new account if you don't already have one, and proceed to set up your new store. Keep in mind the products you will be selling, the customers you're targeting, and your brand ideology while doing this setup. Remember, this is an important step as you're creating the foundation of your new online store. Having exported the data from Squarespace and built our new store on Shopify, we've reached the point where the magic happens. It's time to migrate the data. This is the point where your Shopify admin panel becomes your best friend. On your admin panel, locate the Products or Customers tabs. Depending on the data you'll be importing first, select the appropriate tab. You will notice an Import feature. This is the tool that will upload the CSV files you exported from Squarespace to your new Shopify store. Execute the action and watch the data fall into place. Now, the thought of successfully importing the data might bring a sigh of relief, but we're not quite done yet. It's incredibly important to review all the imported data. This step is to ensure that there are no errors or discrepancies that could potentially harm your business operations. Pay close attention and scrutinize every little detail in your Shopify admin. If you spot any discrepancies or errors, make the necessary adjustments right there in your Shopify admin panel. And there you have it. The migration process really is as simple as that. Just remember to be patient and go through every step carefully, ensuring your data is correctly transferred. Congratulations on successfully migrating from Squarespace to Shopify. Now it's time to start selling. Good luck.